Milestone Mafia.
Family. The most important thing in business is honesty, integrity, hard work.
Y'all, I appreciate all the love you guys showed on my last video, the review for the J Balvin 3s. And as promised in that video, the package has landed.
What time is it? It's time. What is your profession? It's me, bitches.
Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
He's a bad man.
And as always, super humble for every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening. And today, as we see in the thumbnail and description, we are going over one of the most anticipated sneakers of the year. Dare I say, of the 2020s. And we talking about none other than the Futura Laboratories times Nike SB Bleached Aqua. And when we saw first images of these, I already knew what time it was.
Where's the fight?
On its way.
No way I was gonna be able to touch these for retail. Now, why was this collab super sought after? Well, we know why the resellers was after it. But for the pure sneaker enthusiasts that see it as art, we're talking about Futura, one of the pioneers of graffiti art. Starting his career in the late 70s out there in Brooklyn.
Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at?
He made a name for himself. That's so appropriate because he's so ahead of his time.
Oh, okay. I see what you did there.
From graffiti to sculptures to Futura Laboratories and some of the most coveted Nike SB Dunks of all time. I would give you a history on the For the Love or Money or Flom Dunk, but I promise you, I'll never touch that. And I'll never touch the Futura Off-White collab either. But these, if you haven't noticed, I'm about to touch. So let's pop this box open and see what we got here. We have the Nike sale box, as is customary nowadays. Bleached Aqua, Geo Teal White. Ooh. And then we have the shoes. First impression out the box.
So pretty.
I'm actually speechless. I'm gonna be honest with you. Pop this eBay tag off right quick. Obviously, we've seen pictures. Some of you probably have already seen like 1,000 reviews on these, man. But like when you get them in hand for the first time and you just really take it all in. All right, man, let's do this. I'm still speechless. I don't even know where to start. We'll start with this mesh white upper, which is probably gonna be a bitch to keep clean. But as we can see, this canvas portion that encapsulates the entire silhouette, right even to left, gives you a unique experience no matter what angle you're looking at it. And it's not just random colors. This is actually transposed from a piece that Futura did back in the 80s, which makes it an actual piece of art. And y'all remember last year about how I ranted and raved about the Supreme times Nike Dunk Ramo Z's? Yeah, but these here are on another level. Let's see if we can get a little bit more detail. From the tongue, where you have this fuchsia, maybe kind of like a pink piping across the top of the tongue. Futura signature with the Nike SB co-branding into red stitching at the bottom. To match this red eyelet that's just there, couldn't tell you why. I'm sure it means something. Teal Nike check, done in suede, gives it a subtle contrast. On the lateral side of the heel, we have Futura signature. On the medial side, we have Futura Laboratories logo, both of which are embossed.
Both.
Medial side of the right shoe has this yellow stitching that, once again, I have no idea why it's there. Maybe it's just there to look cool. Maybe it means something. If anyone knows what that means, can you put it in the comment section? I know y'all see these laces. Teal up to a purple. Comes with an extra set of pinkish or fuchsia, which match the piping on the top, but yeah, we'll be keeping these inside unless, you know, the outfit calls for it. Translucent on the sole with Futura signature under the Nike logo. If you don't have enough pop, the Nike on the heel tab is actually reflective and also 3M. We got co-branded insoles, Nike Dunk Low, Futura signature, Nike SB, and Futura Laboratories logo. And y'all, if I'm a little all over the place here, I just need you to appreciate this is my actual first time seeing these in hand. You're getting my actual first impression out the box. DripForecast for these. Yeah, this is the eye of the storm right here. Yeah, when these come out, they out. Center of attention. I'm still blown away by these. And you could probably stare at them like an hour and continue to catch like something new. And obviously this is why Futura is who he is. Alright, so as I, catch my breath here, I want to thank you all for coming up through and watch it. And as always, you want to become a friend of mine, go ahead and like the video, drop a comment below, tell me what you think about it. And of course, don't be afraid to become a friend of ours by subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you know every single time the Milestone Mafia is leaning on that algorithm. June's gonna be a little bit of a dry month here. There's really only one, maybe two sneakers that I got my eye on, one of which is gonna be a battle.
Oh shit, here we go again.
But other than that, I want y'all to stay blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
And like that, he's gone.
And I know for a fact I'm not doing these justice in hand. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at these right now.
Mods Beats.